Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the pen and surface so pairing is quick. Charge the pen on the magnetic strip until the LED blinks because a low battery prevents pairing. Once charged, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and make sure Bluetooth is on. Then press and hold the pen button for about 7 seconds to enter pairing mode. This broadcasts the pen to your surface. When you see the pen in the Bluetooth list, tap Connect. Once done, the device accepts pen inputs for the next steps. Once paired, make sure software is ready so the pen behaves predictably. Install any pending Windows updates and Surface firmware because these often fix jitter and improve pressure response. Next, open Settings and navigate to Bluetooth and Devices, then pen to assign button functions and adjust click behavior. For precision, calibrate tilt and pressure inside the apps you use, OneNote, Sketchable, or Adobe, because app-level settings refine nib response. Make sure to test strokes at different angles and pressures. To finish, integrate the pen into your workflow and know one troubleshooting path. Use short practice sessions to learn double-click and press and hold gestures so you build muscle memory. Also test the eraser if your pen has one. Replace nibs when worn because a rounded tip causes imprecision. Keep the tip and screen clean to avoid tracking errors. If tracking or pairing fails, restart Bluetooth, repair the pen, check surface updates and driver settings, and try the pen in another app to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.